Find.
Good morning, class, and tomorrow is the last day of March. Please take out your Easter paper and art project.
Hey Mrs. Christina, can I go to the bathroom please?
Absolutely number. There's no bathroom during class time. The first of all, watch your language. Second of all, there's no bully in class. And third, you will not cause a lot of trouble. Got it?
A few moments later.
I will pull the fire alarm. Now I'm going to do it again, but this time in high school.
Everyone, let's line up for a fire drill and let's all go outside. Where's Gustav, class? Have you seen him?
It was Gustav who pulled the fire alarm, Mrs. Christina, don't you think?
Gustav, get your ass over here right now.
What, Mrs. Christina? Why are you calling me for? I'm in trouble right now.
Don't tell me you are in big trouble. You are going to the principal's office when we get back to the classroom.
Gustav, why are you here?
I was pulling the fire alarm when I go to the bathroom. April Fool's Day. Ha 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 ha.
It is not funny at all. Gustav, why are you crying? You're going to go pull the fire alarm.
Yes. I pulled the fire alarm. It was a April Fool's prank.
Oh my god, Gustav Novick Richardson. That's absolutely not a funny prank at all. Whenever the fire alarm goes off, we take them very seriously. That's it, you are expelled from school. Go now, I'll call your parents.
Gustav Richardson, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You know it's not an April Fool's prank to play with them. That's it.
You are grounded until we pay the fine. Go to your room now.
Wow.